So in the last video, we've been solving simultaneous equation using substitution method. In this last video on that topic, we are going to take it a step higher. I think the best way to explain it, as always, is to take an example. Find the unknowns. 2x minus 3y equals to 4, minus 4x plus 5y equals minus 2. Now remember, you want to label the equation. Now, unlike previous questions we've taken, if you look at all the variables, none of them has 1 or minus 1 as coefficients. This has 2, this has minus 3, this has minus 4, this has 5. So you see that it's a step higher than what we've been doing. So it doesn't matter, you don't have any preference, you just have to take any of the equations. And if you do it correctly, you are going to get it, get the answer right. So let's do this. So I can have from equation 1. So equation 1 says 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Now remember, you want to make one of the variables the subject of the formula. So we'll be having minus 3y, we go to the other side. So I'll be having 2x equals to 4. When minus 3y moves to the other side, becomes plus 3y. Now please don't add these two things, you can't add them up. So, but what we want to make the subject of the formula is x, not 2x. So to make x the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So I'm left with x equals to 4 plus 3y all over 2. Now I hope you understand it to this point. So we can now have put x equals to 4 plus 3y all over 2 in equation 2, which is the second equation in this case. Now let's solve the remaining here. So I'm going to write equation 2. Equation 2 is minus 4x plus 5y equals to minus 2. So anywhere I see x, I'll call it 4 plus 3y all over 2. So I'll be having minus 4 into brackets 4 plus 3y all over 2. Then I have plus 5y equals to minus 2. I hope you understand it. Now 2 can go in 4. Now remember, bracket is the same thing as times. So I have 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So I'm having minus 2 into bracket 4 plus 3y. Then we have plus 5y equals minus 2. Let's open this bracket. Minus 2 times 4 will give us minus 8. Minus 2 times plus 3y will give us minus 6y plus 5y equals minus 2. Now we have minus 8. Minus 6y plus 5y will give us minus y equals minus 2. Minus 8 can go and meet minus 2. We collect like terms. So we'll be having minus y. Don't forget that the sign of y is minus. Equals to minus 2. When minus 8 goes to the other side, becomes plus 8. Minus y equals to minus 2 plus 8 is 6. And remember, I'm trying to find y, not minus y. So I have to divide both sides by minus 1. So which means minus cancels minus. I'm left with y equals to 6 divided by minus 1 is minus 6. Do you understand this? Now to find x, we put y equals to minus 6 in equation. Put it in either 1 or 2. So I put in equation 1. So I'm having 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Remember, I told you always write the equation first before you substitute. So I'll be having 2x minus, anywhere I see y, I call it minus 6. So 3 into bracket minus 6 equals to 4. So I'll be having 2x minus 3 times minus 6 will give me plus 6 times 3 is 18. So I'll be having 2x plus 18 equals to 4. Now I need to collect like terms. So if I collect like term, I'll be having 2x equals to 4. When 18 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 18. So 2x equals to 4 minus 18 should give me minus 14. To find x, I divide both sides by 2. 2 year 1, 2 year 1. I'm left with x equals to 2 year 1, 2 year 7, which will give me minus 7, which implies that x equals to minus 7, y equals to minus 6. I hope you understand this.